Hello everyone, I'm Nicholas and welcome back to another video I'm presenting. In this opportunity, I'm going to discuss about my sort of mini research report, or perhaps more precisely, what should you do in making a research report. And I'm going to use my research report as an example. So my title is going to be Differences in the Type of Sentence Used by Male and Female Writers. Now in this short video, I'm going to be talking only about the first chapter of the thesis. To be precise, the very first chapter shall be the introduction. And this is the chapter where the general ideas will be discussed. This is where we'll not dive into too much details yet. We are going to be talking about only the general ideas. So this chapter will consist of 5 subtitles. And the very first one, we've got background in 1.1. In this section, the background, you'll need to write about the general ideas and why you choose what title you chose. For example, with my title, I might start with describing the idea in general. Then I'll narrow down from there until I finally reach the point of why I choose my title. The key here is to go down a funnel. So you start wide and then you narrow it down from there. The second subtitle is the problems of the study. This is the part where you'll break down the problems that are going to be discussed in your report or thesis. So basically, what you do is, well, normally people formulate their problems in the study into questions. And indeed, this is exactly what you must do as well. This will allow your readers to get a better understanding on what to expect from your research. For example, with my title, I might formulate questions such as what are the differences in the sentence types used between male and female speakers or writers. And next we move on to 1.3, which is the objective of the thesis. In this part, obviously my objective is going to be tackling the problems that I've previously formulated. So all of that is going to be stated in the objective section of the first chapter, 1.3. Next, we're going to move on to 1.4. Chapter 1.4 is the scope of the study. What is meant by scope here is the scope of the data that we're going to use in our study. Of course, it is going to be impossible, for example, in my case, to analyze every single aspect of language of everybody in the whole world. Therefore, in my case, I might scope my study down to samples from only a certain group of people. And then I might even narrow down more, for example, to only use emails or written literatures and so on. Finally, we've come down to the significances of the study. In this final section of the first chapter, you'll need to state your reason why do you think that your research will be of good use to the academic society or to the society as a whole. To give you a better understanding, in my research, I'm focusing on the benefits to the human resources management industry. So that will be the end of the chapter 1. To conclude, remember that in the chapter 1, you have the background, the objectives, the problems, the scope, and significances of the study. And this will be the end of this short video. Thank you very much for watching, and I really hope that this video could be of good use for you fellow academicians out there. And remember, if you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and share this video to your mates. I'm sure they will thank you. Also, don't forget to give that subscribe button a good smack and turn on the notification on this channel. Finally, I'd like to take a moment and thank my lecturer, Dr. Asran Ambarita, as the catalyst of the making of this video. So, I have been Nicholas. Until next time. Bye-bye.